eyebrow and just took over a piece clean out there like you put out with a knife. I actually put a golf ball in there. That could have been her nose, it could have been her eye, it could have been anything. The dogs, great, they're a great pet, they're great walkers, give us lots of support, but just don't put children at risk with the dog. We can't guarantee that the dog won't hit you. Pond hazards, half bottle of water, full bottle of water, not so bad. Half bottle of water around the yard or whatever. Children playing, the ball goes into it. And the natural thing to do, you want to look and get that ball. You reach in, lose your balance, head first into the barrel, and who wants to come back and find 2 feet sticking up out of that barrel. That can happen so easy, so don't take the chances too late when it happens. Dangers from overhead engine cables we all talk about, but remember there's as many accidents with cables on the ground as there is overhead, and there's as many cables on the ground. Dangers in workshop working, you want to be a welding and grinding and going there to do it. There's a gallon of petrol in there, a chainsaw trimmers for petrol in it, and all you want is one smart and make lights you might need to have a workshop. Advantages, slight doors over swinging doors, a very busy day like today.
It wasn't this motor. The purple lads, yeah? You get a bus down.
There's a bus to the railway station from here.
Yeah, just down this gate over here. The aftermath.
Sorry, we're looking for A1.
Yes, this is the A1.
This is A1. This is 1A.
1A is just right next door.
All right, so this is 1.
This is that.
Right. Okay.
How are you?
Brilliant this year.
Do you know, it's been fantastic, and even regardless of the weather, it's amazing when you see everybody out in the rain enjoying themselves and they're just having the time of their lives. And I love doing festivals. There's something about being outside and everybody's just always in top form, so it's been fabulous.
Right, beautiful song, well done. And I'm just looking around, young and old, all tapping. It's the lure of country music which has had this marvellous revival. It's not new in the last 10, 15 years, and it's just continuing to grow.
It's great to see, you know, as you said, from young to old, everybody is totally into the country scene. It's such a sociable environment to be a part of, and as well, it goes hand in hand with the dancing. You know, you can see the fantastic jivers, the line dancing, and yeah, it's great to see that it's definitely growing from strength to strength, and I'm really delighted to be part of it.
Well, listen, we are delighted that you're part of our show here today. Thanks so much for coming along. You might hang around and play us another tune before the end. Brenda is going to have a chat with some people before I introduce our first guest on stage. So, Brenda.
The lads from Longford. Oh, they're running away from me.
Come on
What would you do these here and this family? What's your name? Mary Fox. Who you got? You've got grandchildren. Where are you all from? You haven't traveled very far. Of course, we have Dave in your back.
Thanks to count that way, folks. The prayer door, not just on. Prayer door, thank you.
Some interesting guests.
Great stuff, Brenda Donahue. So, you want to say hello to Brenda? She will chat to you later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want now to invite to the stage a woman again that you will be all familiar with from TV. She's a TV presenter, she's a chef, she's a food writer, and the list goes on. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome Catherine Fulvio. Come forward, Catherine. Take a seat there.
Exit down the far door, please. Thank you.
Catherine, one thing I didn't say there in the intro, you're a farmer as well, aren't you?
Well, I'm not the farmer. Now, don't ask me too many questions about that. No, actually I am a farming family. My maiden name is Byrne. I grew up on the farm there in County Wicklow, and
Exit down that way, please.
Still farming?
Yeah.
Farmers. I turned the old milking bar into cookery school, so we're not dairy milking anymore.
Well, he's still lambing ewes and all that on the farm.
Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah.
And you grew up there, Catherine. Where did the love for food and cooking and all of that come from?
So I was plenty like me around the country. My mother opened a farmer's bed and breakfast. Actually, 50 years ago.
But anyway, so I grew up in the B&B, so you have no choice. Like you were helping your dad move the cows. And then my mother at one stage decided we'd all make our own farm for her. That's her job, I'll tell you. And then we were making breakfast, lunches, so we grew up cooking, and we had our own gardens, our own vegetable fruit, all of that.
In that time, non-stop technology should make time to run.
Well, the worst part is as you're continuously filming, you're there and you're fucking doing something everyone else has captured.
All right, lunch, everybody.
Do not hire anyone. Oh yeah. Cost. Sometimes you get a proper meal. Just they're like, cool, eat that in 2.
said was a sarcastic comment. No really difference.
which are applicable to farmers and they probably don't realise. So I hope you printed 130,000 of these, because I can't see how I would be a farmer without having this, a one-stop shop guide to where we can, or I can actually, I suppose, protect my income and help my family and help my farming. The problem with farming is you need a perfect storm. You might have the best of cattle, the best of land, but if you have weather, bad weather, well then obviously you're in a bad position. You mightn't have great land, you mightn't have the best of cattle, but there might be a big demand for your produce and prices are good. So to get the perfect storm is always difficult, and maybe that's a bit of an oxymoron saying the perfect storm, but you know what I mean. In any given year, prices might be good, but the weather is bad and costs are up. So there's always a challenge there for farmers to actually make it a reasonable income. But this, I think, will give farmers and farm families all over the country an opportunity to maximise and utilise what they have in terms of their business, but also their assets as well. And there are so many farms around the country that are broadening out into other enterprises, and there's details in this as to how they can actually maximise that. So look, I think it's a wonderful booklet. There are over 300 citizens information offices all over the country, a lot of Teagasc offices, as we know, around the country as well. And just one other thing.
Once the prize ends up in the right place.
Yeah.
So,
Harry, do you know where the learn is?
I don't know.
What's the address there?
John already. I'll write it in.
I know that.
Cheers, man. Thanks.
The day is holding up well.
Isn't it? Doesn't look too wet. Last year.
I was here on the Wednesday last year.
The last day?
The middle day, the Wednesday.
Oh, middle day, yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
a friend of mine came here and he ended up with pneumonia for about 3 or 4 weeks after. Yeah, no, really bad.
Oh, just dreadful day. Were you here last year, really?
No, I wasn't. I was supposed to come with them and
that's all they ever nailed that. You're lucky.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I didn't think there'd be a finish job thing
If something wasn't done, the day they forgot about what happened. No, you should have a door, though. Be careful. You should have more than half today. You should be only about 2. No, we have a good 2,000 here anyway. Oh, that's what I do it. I know. Sometimes you have to
What's that? No, you like it. What? No.
I'd probably know if I said,
Gilad!
it's over here. Oh, there's 2 bits.
Yeah.
Just trusting you was my great sin. What can I do for you and again? What can I do for you and again? To me, you're
Thank you, Mr. Miller, and thank you very much indeed for the answer to the couple of minutes sponsors through here. Ellen, the golly, I didn't reckon I know who's in it now. It took me a couple of minutes. How are things? Good. Long time since we've seen, but anyway, we'll catch up. We'll catch up. No. The washing is it alright, Betty? But the washing is nearly dry, he's hanging out in the line.
You need very timely, specific weather forecasting. You need that level of detail.
The radar, we keep track on our own website, our products, and hands down the most popular products that clicked on online on the app. These are weather radar. And it actually came out of World War II when the radars spotting airplanes. There was an awful lot of noise in the signal. And after the war finished, a lot of these radar technicians started to focus on this noise. It was actually rainfall. I started to focus on the rain component. And after the radar focused themselves. Just a quick word on the app. So, the reason that the app is a lot more accurate than me is what we do is we take the best global weather model in the world, which is what drives YOR. And what we do is we take the weather forecast model that runs on, and we're able to chop it down and give it to environments fast supercomputers. We're able to improve that forecast again. So in the next 2 days, the forecast accuracy to the weather app is actually at the highest quality again. I probably agree that people will deliver it in a more streamlined system, but hopefully we're going to give them for that map so we can deliver that more accurate information.